Hey everyone, welcome to Dreams and Dollars. My name's Shawn, and I'm your host. This channel is all about helping you turn financial confusion into confidence, whether that's learning about surplus funds, real estate, or other ways to build wealth and take control of your financial future. In today's video, we're breaking down the beginner's guide to surplus funds, what they are, how the process works, and how you could potentially recover money that's rightfully yours after a foreclosure. So grab a pen, take some notes, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more financial game changers here on Dreams and Dollars. After foreclosure, banks often owe you money. Here's how to claim it. I'm talking about surplus funds, and most people have no idea this money exists. When your home gets foreclosed and sold at auction, if it sells for more than what you owed, that extra money legally belongs to you. But here's the problem nobody tells you about it. Surplus funds are the leftover money after a foreclosure sale. When the sale price exceeds the total owed loan balance, fees, and costs, the remainder is the surplus. By law in most jurisdictions, that surplus is payable to the former homeowner or other rightful claimants. These funds are typically held by the county, trustee, or court until someone files a valid claim. Competitive bidding often drives the price up, and that spread becomes claimable money. Think of it as a second chance after a tough chapter, money you can use to rebuild. We see people receive life-changing checks after months of uncertainty, and it can happen without upfront costs when you work with the right team. So who can claim these funds? The previous homeowner, heirs, or even lien holders. The amounts can be substantial. We're talking $20,000, $50,000, sometimes over $100,000 just sitting there waiting to be claimed. Myth: the government keeps the money. Fact: it's claimable by the rightful parties if you file correctly and on time. Another myth: claiming is automatic. In reality, you usually must apply within a deadline. Myth: you need a lawyer every time. Fact: not always, though legal help can simplify complex cases. Start with county records. Look up foreclosure sale results and surplus listings. You can also call the county clerk or trustee handling the sale. Search for reports of sale, case numbers, and any surplus notices tied to your address. Create a simple tracking sheet: sale price, debt, the calculated surplus, and filing deadlines. If the process looks overwhelming, professionals can do the research and file for you. Surpluses are often held by the court registry or trustee until dispersed. Deadlines vary by state, some as short as 90 days, others a year or more. If a notice was sent to an old address, you can still claim in many cases. Don't assume you missed out. DIY works for simple cases. For complex estates, liens, or multiple heirs, consider expert help. Yes, we routinely see $20K to $100K plus in surplus, but it depends on the auction and debt. Processing times can range from weeks to months, depending on court schedules. Most claims need ID, proof you owned the property at the time of sale, and the case or cause number. The right steps lead to results without upfront costs when structured on a results-based model. Companies like Mountain Bay Enterprises and partners at Surplus Funds Finders have systems to track auctions, verify surpluses, and prepare claims efficiently so you don't have to. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. Step 1. Identify the sale. Look up your foreclosure case in county records or trustee postings. Step 2. Confirm the number, sale price, total debt, fees, and calculate any surplus. Step 3. Contact the clerk or trustee to verify whether funds are deposited and where to file. Step 4. Gather documents: ID, proof of prior ownership, and your case number. Step 5. Complete and notarize required claim or petition forms as your county requires. Step 6. File with the correct office, court registry, trustee, or county finance. Step 7. Some areas require a brief hearing. Show up with originals and a clear timeline. Step 8. Receive funds via check or ACH once approved. Pro tip: include a copy of the deed or title report tying you to the property at the time of sale. If the owner passed away, heirs may claim be ready to show probate or heirship documentation. Lien holders may have priority. Surpluses are paid out in a legal order before the remainder goes to the homeowner. Keep copies of everything and get confirmations, mail receipts, stamped filings, and emails. Typical timelines run a few weeks to a few months depending on the court's load. That's where professionals come in to simplify everything for you. Companies like Mountain Bay Enterprises collaborate with partners to handle research, filings, and court coordination. Many operate on a results-based model: no upfront costs, fees only if funds are recovered. You can start the process online, and a specialist will confirm eligibility and next steps. From the first phone call to the moment funds arrive, the right team keeps you informed and protected at every step. If you're busy, out of state, or unsure where to start, this support can save weeks of research and paperwork. Tip 1. Verify licenses and registrations where required. Tip 2. Research the company. Check the state business database and any attorney partnerships. Tip 3. Understand the fee structure. Contingency means they're paid only if you are. Tip 4. Read the contract fully. Know the term, your rights, and how to cancel. Tip 5. Protect your identity. Share sensitive documents only through secure channels. Example: a homeowner in a competitive market recovered $20,000 after fees and liens were settled. Another case: a family received over $50,000, using it for a fresh start and rental stability. In rare situations, six-figure recoveries happen, especially when auctions soar past the debt. Results vary, but the key is verifying eligibility and filing correctly and on time. If you're in El Paso or beyond and think you might have surplus funds waiting, visit surplusfundsfinders.net or follow at Mountain Bay Enterprises on Instagram. This is Shawn from Mountain Bay Enterprises, helping homeowners recover what's rightfully theirs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.